let's talk about how to multiply polynomials. There are two methods that we have talked about on how to do this, and that is either use the box method or FOIL. And I'm going to do one of each for you, and you can kind of take your pick. But no matter which one that you use, you are going to end up multiplying your regular numbers, which are the ones that are like regular sized, and adding your exponents as you go. The second piece of this, after you've already multiplied, is just you have to make sure that you combine any like terms that you see. And the two that I'm going to do are actually going to be the first two on the left side. One suggestion that I have for you is if you only have one thing in front of the parentheses, so basically one set of parentheses, I would take that and multiply it to the other two. Sorry, that makes it really hard to see the exponents, so let's try this. So there's only one thing here. I would do what's called FOIL or distributing and multiply it to the other two. If there are two sets of parentheses, like the next one down, this would be a good idea to use the box method on. Now, 4 times 2 is 8. And if I have 2 x's and I'm putting 3 more with it, that's going to turn into x to the 5th. Then 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. And I've got 2 x's here and 1 more over here. So that's going to make x to the power of 3. And that's it. And that's pretty much what's going to happen with the box method. The only difference is that since there's more pieces to the second one, it's easier if you keep track of it in a box, like this. Go ahead and draw a box. And on one side, you're going to write 2x plus 3. And on the other side, you're going to write 5x minus 6. Then, inside the box, you're going to draw a line wherever you see a plus or a minus sign, like that. And then you go ahead and multiply, like 5x times 2x. 5 times 2 is 10. And I have 2 x's, one on each side. So that's going to be x squared. Then 5x times 3 is 15x. 2x times negative 6 is negative 12x. And negative 6 times 3 is negative 18. Now, I actually do have like terms on this one. They are right here in the middle. My x's. And they'll always, kind of be in the middle like that. So you're going to add these two together. And since you're just adding, you don't change the exponent anymore. So 15x plus negative 12x is 3x. And then the negative 18 and the 10x squared comes straight down.